Sage here at No Kill Car Shelter today. So, in editing this week's YouTube video, I realized I never actually made an intro for it, so this is me here now making an intro. Got dressed up cute. Woo! So, yeah, the video you were about to see is from last weekend. We took Chevy Nomad Max, and the Seneca out for a drive, out for a brat through Philly, ending in South Philly. And right when we were coming up under the Ben Franklin Bridge, well, let's just say that things never really go as planned. And I'll let you guys see firsthand what happened to us. So without further ado, I guess let's get into the video. Cory, what was it you just said?
I'm not mad, Max. I'm more just disappointed, Max.
Well, I mean, it's a problem if we don't have the other cap. So the needle bearings will be the least of our problems.
Drop the drive shaft.
Didn't even get to have like the drop the drive shaft on the ground aesthetic.
Cory, what was it you just said?
I'm not mad, Max. I'm more just disappointed, Max. You want to chill with him, or you want to come with me, or what do we do?
Whatever works best for you guys.
Hey, Jack George Miller.
Hey all. No kill car shelter here at Dave and Buster's. Right under the what is this? The Ben Franklin Bridge? Right under the Ben Franklin Bridge. We were on a wrap with the Seneca and Nomad Max when the Seneca's drive shaft dropped. So Cory very smartly pulled to the side of the road, happened to be right in front of Dave and Buster's. Epic fun. It might be. I can't tell you how many people we had walk up to these cars and be like, oh, it's Mad Max, it's Mad Max. Hey, Mad Max franchise, sponsor us to promote your movie, because we're doing it for free right now. We just love you. So, Brian went back to the shop after we had searched for the, what is the part called?
The cap for the universal joint.
The cap for the universal joint.
Got one, but not the other.
Got one, but not the other.
Got one. All the needle bearings.
All the needle bearings. But we couldn't find the other one. So Brian ran back to the shop in the Nomad after we safely towed the Seneca over here. I will input all of that footage as well. Whew, it has been a day. So Brian just got back, had to take a stop at AutoZone. And AutoZone actually had the parts we needed. Sorry. And is it fixed?
Fixed it.
Fixed it. Woo!
Thankfully, the AutoZone had the same exact U-joint in stock, so I was able to just steal two of the caps from this. Thankfully, there was no damage to the caps on the other U-joint, so it's actually just fine. Just have to give it a greasing, or we can throw this in. It also didn't come with clips. Bullshit.
Is it safe to like drive like this though?
Yeah, it's fixed.
Yeah, it's fixed. We're back to driving.
Success!
Still can't believe out of all those universals I had, like,
It's probably because this is such a common chassis for you that you burned through them.
no, that's the thing. Like there was nothing big enough. I even checked that van drive shaft, that van box van, that rider van box. That was smaller.
Yeah.
And all the truck, every Chevy,
So we're gonna be getting back on the road here in just a moment. In the Dodge, 60 Dodge Seneca, Dodge Dart Seneca, for no parkerists, which ain't nothing care about this. Sorry. Not sorry. I'm gonna grab my stuff and we're gonna get back on the road. We'll see y'all soon. No Kill Car Shelter signing off. Car is running. Missing a headlight, but we'll fix it when we get back. Hey.
That's not the right size. Thanks for watching our Mean Machine adventure, guys, with No Kill Car Shelter. As usual and as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't yet, goddammit. We'll see you guys soon. Next week, whatever, a month, I don't know. I gotta get back to work.
Okay. See yas.